Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we're going to learn how to make an attendance sheet in Google Sheets. Alright, the first thing you should do is open your Google Sheets app on your phone. Then you have to prepare a table like this, and here I have prepared my table, and we are going to add checkbox to this table. You have to select the cell that you want to put checkbox on it, and after that we can click on this three dots button. Then you gotta choose data validation right here, and on the criteria you can choose a checkbox. You have to click on this part and choose checkbox, and don't forget to click on save button to save the rule. Alright, and now the checkbox have been added to our column or our table, and we are going to put formula to the total column. I'm going to use count if formula, count if, and select the range. It's from B3 cell until F3 cell, and put the criteria like this, and don't forget to click on this check mark. And right after we click on the checkbox, it will add 1 point to the total column. For example, like this, guys. Click on the checkbox. Alright. And we can autofill by selecting this column like this, and tap and hold on the column, and click on autofill. Like this. Alright guys, that's how we can make attendance sheets in Google Sheets mobile app. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and see you on the next video.